Hey y'all, welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. It is Sunday, it is Easter, and I have spent my entire day so far outside getting some things done because we are at almost 70 degrees. So this needed to be repurposed. I bought this fire pit, it hasn't been more than 2 years, maybe last year. And this top has all caved in, it's fallen apart, it's raggedy, and I'm not buying a new one. So I'm repurposing it. I'm putting more mesh in here. Got this roll, I believe from Lowe's last year. It's 8 feet of mesh, some kind of mesh. And I'm just bending it up. I'm using my scrap pieces of wire and trying to put it onto these bars so that I can continue to use this thing over the top of my fire pit so all the ashes and everything don't fly out everywhere. I'm not trying to buy a new one at all. So we're going to see if this works. It's taking bits of wire and bending this big piece in here. I cut it off and bending it to kind of fit, kind of sort of. I'm going to have to fold it down at some point. That's okay. So I just have pieces of leftover wire, all types of wire that I'm using to hold this thing down. First, I did it in the middle, tried to pull it up top and connect it all in the middle here. So I'm just tucking the wire in. Look at this. I could have took this out, and eventually I probably will, but I just want to make sure this works before I get rid of this wire that came on here. It doesn't last any time. It should be, to burn fires, you would think it would last longer than that. They would put some type of material on here, but they don't build things like they used to. So I'm going to rebuild it. So I'm just going to, like it folds right here, is buckling. So I'm going to bend it down and conform it to this curve, and then get me a piece of wire and attach it to this bar. That all kind of strap wire. I'm just going to stick it through and come back around on this bar. Then I'm going to just feed it back through, wrap it again, pull it tight, take it back down through here. It may not be the neatest, but I don't care. It's going to work. It should work. I hope it works. Then I'm just going to tighten this wire by turning it like I do my wire wrap jewelry. You can make designs, but it tightens the wire if you twist it. So I'm just going to twist this wire to make it tighter. Like that. Just twist this one down. Bend these ends down so I don't get stuck. The ends where I cut this mesh, it's going to turn them in like that. I need to tighten this one. Mm-mm. Then I'm gonna put some more wire and attach this. See if I can get this to go down. Am I in the camera? Can y'all see what I'm doing? The sun is in my face, so I can't tell. Yeah, it's in there. Tell you, I'm frugal over here. Make it do what it do, so it'll last a little longer. Mhm. Is that? All right, that's enough of that one. So I'm gonna cut this piece off. Got my earbuds in, listen to music, y'all. Got my boots on the ground. Now I'll twist this wire and tighten it. Twist it, tighten it down on there. All right, let's keep it moving. I'll come back and put a piece here. I just want to get it buckled down. Now let's see. If I get it on the bars, then I can work with the rest of it. So I think I need to put another piece up here on this bar. What? Put a piece up here. Got my ground. Flip it over. Probably, let me see. Nope, I'm gonna do it the other way. Let me do it this way and tie it on the inside. Well, it's on the ground. All right, now let me tighten it. There we go. Where them fans at? And then I can tighten it like that. Tighten them. Tighten it like that. Tighten it. Okay, what's next? Let's do this bar. See if this is, oh, that ain't big enough. Got a bunch of little pieces. I might have to cut some because these are tiny pieces. Yep, I think I'm gonna have to cut some. So, got wire, y'all. I got plenty of wire. Let's use this one. I don't care about the colors, as long as it works. Cut a piece off. Now, what was I doing? This one? Or let's turn it this way. Stick that in there. Stick it in on this side. And then I can flip it over. All right, push that down. Twist it a few times. Let me see if I can stick this back in there and bring it around. Yep. Tighten this one right here. Let's give it a twist to tighten it. And then stick this one back down in there. Catch it on the other side. DIY, do it yourself, y'all. Save a few bucks. All right, let me twist it again. All right, got it. Now, let's get this down on this last bar. Flip it over. Let's start up here. Wrap it around that bar. Stick it back down in there. Tighten it. And then stick it back through here. Pull it tight. I'll stick it back in here and pull it through the other side. And then twist these two, I guess. That's good enough. Now I'll just tighten it by twisting. So it's tight on this bar. Alrighty. I'm gonna put another piece here and here, piece up here. But first, since I have it attached, let me try and bend. I can cut this, fix this, or I can bend it in for extra wire. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bend it in. Let's see. Bend it in. Just fold it over. And that's just extra mesh. No sense in cutting it off. Okay. Then I can just tack this around. This little piece might be enough for. Yeah, some of these little pieces I can use for that, I think. I think. Now let me just go ahead and cut. I'm not getting ready to dig for little pieces. Cut some small pieces and just go all the way around here. Give it a couple twists so that it doesn't come off. Tuck it in. Oh, I got this one too short. Nope, I got it. All right, a couple more. Let me bend this in some. Put another piece over here. Alrighty. I can put one more right here. Fold that down. And this wire here is aluminum wire, so it's kind of easy to work with. So I'm gonna flip this over and tighten these. So you just give it a twist and now tighten it. Twist it. All right, where we need some more wire. Shoot, that's pretty good. I didn't put it right here, so the mesh didn't come all the way down over here. And I'm not gonna worry with it now. I could cut another piece of mesh off and add it, but this little piece hasn't torn apart yet. Should I or should I not? I don't feel like it. I'm just gonna attach it right here at this bar. And I think I'm gonna be done. I can do that at a later point if it gets raggedy. You know, if it burns up, it's not too bad right there. Although I know eventually it's going to fall apart. But let me just, I don't know if y'all can see that. Right here is where that mesh ended, the mesh that I put down. So the rest of that is that raggedy, no good mesh. But I'm not gonna worry with it right now. I'm just gonna tack this down right here. All right, y'all. I think that's it. It's down pretty good. I was gonna put some more like up here, right here, and right here. Maybe one more piece, right there, and I'm gonna be done. Flip this over and tighten it. And voila, I'm done, y'all. And see, that's a whole big hole. This right here is just all torn apart. So that new mesh helps right there. Cut this little piece off, maybe. Just gonna bend that in. What you think? What you think? Am I in the camera? The sun, I cannot see. I guess I am. So let's go put it on the fire pit so I can show you what I'm talking about. Hold on. Can't see. Where is Paul's? All right, y'all. Look at that. That will work. Like I said, this fire pit is not too old. There's no reason that that should have tore up like that. But it did, and now I restored it. I'm not gonna burn no fire till tonight. And I'm gonna put my cover on here in case it rains so it doesn't get the wood. So it doesn't get the wood and paper that's wet that's in here. And I made this cover about 2, 3 years ago with some tarp and some outdoor fabric. It has faded. And then I put elastic on the around the rim. So I'll be making another one of these this spring, this summer. Maybe find a brighter color to cover this up. But it's worked for a whole year. All righty. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you. Peace and love. I gotta go clean up. This is the dirty job. It's a dirty job, but somebody's got to do it. Love you guys. Peace and love. Thumbs up, right? Thumbs up, please. And leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Check you out soon.